Hey everybody, welcome to Bear Change. It's Phoebe, and for this week I wanted to start a little something new. There's a lot of misconception of when it comes to carbon verbiage, whether it be in the news, politically, scientifically, whatever. Well, I'm starting a new segment here called Carbon Jargon, where every week I'll break down what each carbon thing means. So this week I want to talk about carbon dioxide and its role in climate change, what it does, and why we should care about it. So carbon itself is the OG building block when it comes to any kind of organic matter on our planet and even in our entire universe. Chemically, carbon dioxide is known as CO2, which is 1 part carbon and 2 parts oxygen. It is an invisible gas to the human naked eye, and it's present in our Earth and in our atmosphere through a natural carbon cycle. So while it's difficult to see, it's really simple to understand our relationship to carbon dioxide. So CO2 comes from a variety of natural sources, like the respiration of humans and animals, or when a volcano erupts, and is usually occurring in the release or burning of something. Us as humans breathe oxygen and we emit carbon dioxide. Plants, on the other hand, breathe carbon dioxide and emit oxygen. This, and the evolution of over hundreds of thousands of years, has made the relationship between plants and humans essential. However, since the Industrial Revolution, human activity has greatly affected this natural process. Burning fossil fuels like oil and natural gas and coal, as well as processing industrial waste and chemicals, have greatly thrown off this natural balance. Our behaviors have extremely high carbon emissions, which negatively impact environments all across the globe. A combination of overpopulation, consumerism, and transportation are all factors that play into our exponential emissions of carbon dioxide. We are using these resources unsustainably, and our dear planet is quickly becoming out of balance. These unnatural and increased levels of CO2, which are being emitted into our atmosphere, are what scientists are referring to as global warming. This is because when carbon dioxide is released into our atmosphere, it causes a heat trapping effect on our globe. For our Earth to naturally cool down, the oceans absorb all this CO2 and heat. This heat throws off the ocean's pH, causing it to acidify and destroying ecosystems along the way. Coral bleaching, species decline, ocean dead zones have this acidifying factor and extra carbon dioxide to blame. Instead, we should be working together with nature and not against it, and learning from our planet on how we can properly use our natural resources as well as newer technologies as a way to get all of this carbon dioxide out of our atmosphere, out of our oceans, and back into the soil and plants. How else are we going to make Earth cool again?